Start speaking now. Time is up.
Right now, a group of students is busy with a creative drawing activity, guided by their happy teacher. I think the students will continue drawing for a few more minutes, until the large paper is completely full of their colorful creations. Next, the teacher will probably praise them all for their wonderful teamwork and beautiful art. She might hold up the poster for the whole class to see. After that, she could ask the students to help her hang the artwork on the wall. If they hang it up, the students will likely feel very proud of their work. The teacher might also talk to the girl who looks sad to ask her what is wrong and try to cheer her up. Soon, this lively art activity will finish. The teacher will probably announce the next lesson or that it's time for a break, and the students will clear the table.